AFFILATEASYSTRET.com. Hi. My name is Peter Jovanovic. I go by PS Jovan. I'm glad that you found my site. The information I'm about to disclose to you here will forever change the way you have been doing business online. For everyone who is desperate to make money and anyone else who is tired of getting ripped off and losing money to schemes that just won't work, I'll introduce you to an underground entrepreneur who will reveal his killer free business system that generates $64,521 per month. The crazy thing is that working this program is probably even easier than what you are doing right now for a living. I'll show you the way to learn how to create an inch home business which will literally generate instant floods of traffic to any site of your choice. This will translate into instant commission checks as well as early retirement if that is what you'd like to do. This program can get you very quick results and profits starting from day one. You'll learn how to generate tens of thousands of dollars from simple techniques quickly and easily. If you've struggled to get by in life, always needing just a little more cash, or maybe you're just sick and tired of wasting day after day in a soulless job, then you need to go to AffiliateEasyStreet.com and read every single word very carefully. You're about to see exactly what this unbelievable business system will do for you. This program will show you that anyone can make money online and that it is not hard to do as the so-called gurus want you to think it is. If you've found this page, you're smart enough to earn a profit online. It's that simple. Heck, let me put it another way. If you can check your email, you can make money online. Insane amounts of money. More than you could possibly spend in a lifetime. And all on autopilot. If you are ready now to learn more about this fascinating program, go to AffiliateEasyStreet.com and get ready to change your life around forever. Once you do, I promise you that you won't ever look back. Best wishes to you and your newfound future. AFFILATEASYSTRET.com. If you like this presentation and are interested in learning more about video go round to have me advertise your programs and products, then go to myfuturevideo.com. See you there. myfuturevideo.com